During their time on board, passengers will enjoy personalized service from our crew, with a wide gastronomic variety. Passengers will have the opportunity to see and learn about the preparation of typical dishes of the region, like the famous Ecuadorian ceviche. In the kitchen area, where the magic happens, our chef will prepare those delicacies for our passengers. Last night on board, passengers will enjoy our farewell cocktail party. Learn about the preparation and taste a traditional drink to give a unique closure to the trip. Enjoy this gastronomic experience on board with us and celebrate unique moments on special days.